So my name is Olga Flor and I'm Dutch. I grew up in France, but Dutch. I'm 25 and I graduated on September 2020 from public-private. So my project is called Undercover, and it's about dehumanized spaces and how to personalize a standard environment. So I made tapestries, chair pockets or pockets for planters. It all started from a first experience during my internship, where I was constrained to cold spaces and kind of sterile. And so I came up with a first drawing that I then turned into a weaving in collaboration with the Textile Lab. I think everything was a challenge in terms of that I liked the challenge. But I think it was time management. Time management was the most difficult part. I think first of all, like we started kind of in certain periods, so we didn't really know when we would graduate. So that was a bit difficult, is that we were said, okay, the school is going to open then, but we didn't really know if it was sure. So it was just a bit that at the start. But furthermore, I think I experienced it in a very nice way. That I took also the time to experience with in different ways. So that was in the end a bad for a good, I would say. For now, the project itself, the textile pieces, I consider them as done. And hopefully one day they will end up in a public space or even in a home. And that I would of course appreciate it. Or in the library, I was imagining this piece, like the hanging piece. But for now, like I'm working on like all the leftover pieces of this collaboration or this work at Textile Lab. I'm now trying to turn them into something new. I use what I have. And yeah, it turned out to be really fun. So I'm recomposing all these pieces, and in the same time, I'm working on many other projects. So this project is for now a bit on. I'm just looking forward to other projects, and this is kind of a closed episode. I think for now I'm so busy with all my projects, new projects, that it's hard to think of 5 years further. But now I'm based in Sectice in Collaborational, and I have a studio, and yeah, I guess I will probably not be in Eindhoven anymore. But yeah, let's see. I would like to carry on, or at least really be working as a freelancer only on my project mostly. And maybe other collaborations, but I wish it's gonna work out for me as an independent designer. So hopefully in 5 years I'm still gonna be working on my projects. I would say first of all, because graduation's always, in the school at least, seems like this big, huge event. I would say that enjoy the process and then follow your intuition, and be honest in that sense that you enjoy it, and that gives the most energy, I think, and the best outcomes as well.